$4,004.63, $1,988.06, and $339.03. And this is the amount of money people have made on TikTok's rewards program on videos over 1 minute long. These types of videos have been going super viral on TikTok, and I know it's only 25 seconds long, but you guys can create them to make it 1 minute long. And I'll be showing you how you guys can create videos just like these for free, so stick around. There's also another TikTok account that's creating similar types of videos. It says in the video which living room would you choose, and as you can see, it's over a minute long, meaning that the creator is getting paid on TikTok's rewards program. Most of their videos have over tens of thousands of views, and others even have 1 million views. First, we're gonna go on ChatGPT, and then we're gonna give them the screenshot of the video that we want to create, and then say describe the image in detail in parentheses image prompt so I can create an image. And here's what ChatGPT wrote us, and since it's all in separate, we're gonna just tell ChatGPT to put them all in one. And here are the results. And then we're gonna ask ChatGPT to write more image prompts for our video. And now we have 5 more image prompts that we can use. And now we're gonna just copy one of the image prompts that we like. And then we're gonna go on Leonardo AI. Then we're gonna click on Create New. And then we're gonna paste the image prompt that ChatGPT created for us. And make sure for your fine-tuned model, you click on Leonardo Phoenix 1.0. And make sure you choose 9:16 for your image dimensions. Then click on Generate. And keep in mind you do have 150 free daily tokens that Leonardo AI does give you every single day for you to create your videos and images, so definitely take advantage of them because they are free. And this is how our image looks like. So now we're going to convert it into a video. We're going to click on motion, then keep the motion strength to 3, and then click on Generate. And here's how our video looks like. Now we're going to download the video by clicking on the arrow on the upper right hand corner. And since our video does have a Leonardo AI watermark, we're just going to remove it on our camera roll. And then go on CapCut and pull all of the pictures and videos that you created on Leonardo AI. And you can also add transitions in between the videos and pictures. And if you wanted to add text on the video, all you need to do is click on the Add Text button and then write whatever text that you want. We're gonna just write Luxury Kitchen. And you can also change the color of the text if you want, or if you wanted to make it more bolder. So you added your text, transition, and everything like that, and you want to download your video, all you need to do is click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner to download your video. And your video is ready to post, and thanks for watching!